Homemade Sambar Powder. Kindly check the description box below for the exact ratio and the measurement and the steps to be followed for making the homemade Sambar Powder. All you need is Haldi, that is turmeric, mustard seeds, that is rye, Chana dal, dhania, that is coriander seeds, some curry leaves, Jeera, cumin seed, hing, asafoetida, methi seeds, urad dal, black peppercorns, whole black peppercorns, and dried red chilies. Air dried, cleaned glass jar preferably. Kindly check the description box for the exact ratio. Please follow the steps accordingly so that you don't have a bitter sambar powder. Take the exact measurement given in the description box and follow the process accordingly. Please remove the crown of the red chilies before you start roasting them. Please switch off your flame and then add asafoetida, that is hing. Let it completely cool down and come down to the room temperature before you start blending them. See that you please add the haldi, that is turmeric, just before you blend them together. Post you cool them, see that you put them into an airtight container or a glass jar, and it's good for 3 to 6 months. So now let us see how much it weighs, and it's around almost 300 plus grams, which is fantastic. It's almost like 310 or 311 to be exact. Once opened, kindly consume it before 3 months. Thanks for watching my channel Dimples and Arabian Journey. If you like my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also do connect us on our Facebook page by the name Flora and Aroma. Thank you so much.